Hey guys, welcome back again to another new video. Non nili tum nam jila ke difu bipod man labang yang thandu po lapu yo apu apa na pai tum hai. Ipal tum nam ibini.
Pini bangkala lo bor pesar lo la nili ga kleng lo Dharamsing Teron Teron pasi. Alang li phanje litum kadu na chini lo alang li ga tu dan tang ning kan same alang li phan penangan nong e Pajir Pon lo. International by kang samil tum karbi apur ki mo tum karbi studies pencheng lo li tum khai jutang jubat pencheng lo ni ro kom to asame alang li ka research pon ateng si non bang international by kang same karbi khai phan pas thang pon bom lo lang phan kai ta il tum choro bek nang ji panana mai ji mil tum pajil bek nang ji pini bang il tum da karbi long live channel la hin pen alang li phan lifetime award hanong e 2022 labang sonong e Pajir Pon ji alang li a hemalong masi labang so kalil tang kajirong hang pi alang lia men pensi ilitum karmi lo Thomas Council sar Dharamsing Teron hin pensi labang so donated lo labang so nong e bangke se labang so nong e Pajir Pon popini sini tum kado we hem si ni tum Teron hem Teron dynasty kado we ni tum doan kado we pesar tum doan sami ani ngarong pigo se pini hadak an kedun si ni tum kado we family get together pen anesan sami churap peji la pen labang sonong e Pajir long tum sami aliralon pidon ji pen akhir jumi pidon ji tang ken anglang duni momo so video
Non bang kimir.
Lapuson na sai kedeng pon heglong lipila aposin nili tumahin pen mathalo ki claim pon me lo ne henglo ne labang nili tum sine stame nili tum stame lapuson hours sai deng pon son de si message ma nili tum mathalo amasi nili tum administrator tum pen danglok nili tum kadu ke chingwai ching sai kan sila so kama bang claim lo amasi peneng abang ke itum apor kom hek lo posi culture and literature laso puthak le litum darlib lo nam lo masi litum pinangan chiklo jon sosial litum di darlib lo masi pu ke hai sar Dharamsing Teron alang li pasin litum ini manela parti angong live time achievement award project alang li alang li pasin litum litum long e prang award PPA prang litum karbi ang long life atim hal chipachini tum no try it.
Oh, coba. Medan pon pacini ta. So, dia pon.
Amen ke kini dal juli alang li ke tumsar achor lo lang li men junaki dong pipi alang li ke council long sisa tabi klembo
Oi, coba. Ui.
ano bang ke
Dr. Dharamsing Teron, son of late Pajir Teron and late Kavi Singarpi is an active independent researcher from Romili, Dipro. Ever since he left his political career, he has spent more than 20 years in documenting Karbi oral songs, stories, and rituals in an ongoing attempt to make sense of the Karbi version of the world. With experiences gathered through years of active involvement in the Karbi identity movement as one of the prominent leaders of the Karbi Youth Festival, he now heads a research organization named Center for Karbi Studies since 2015 as its founder director. He has so far edited, authored 4 volumes of the Karbi Studies series, namely Memories, Myths, Metaphors, Reclaiming the Ancestor Voices, Folktales from the Fringe, and In Search of the Drum Roll. Currently, he is working on the Karbi oral epic, Kacharhe Alu, and Karbi oral history. Besides, he has also written many chapters for books published by different renowned publications. He was recently conferred with the honorary degree of the Doctor of Philosophy, honoris causa, by the Gauhati University in recognition of his contribution to Karbi oral history and culture. In acknowledgement and recognition of the tremendous contributions he has made to Karbi society to document, popularize, and preserve its culture and tradition, today, on this blessed day of 23rd December 2022, we present this Lifetime Achievement Award. We pray to the Almighty to shower more blessings on him for his upcoming works. From Ratis Romkar, Chief Editor-in-Chief, Karbi Life. Family, kadu ka bebang enas.
Adi kuang ya.
Wah, pulang tadi.
Kalau di
Pini bagian ning karong arni lo, athe pini ne pesar masa me Karbi live channel lain masa me nongi Pajir Pon, lasi apesar pensa me tini lam sa me arju kono na tang teda. Hey pesar,
Halo.
Kardong,
Kardong.
tang de pesar, how you feeling pini Karbi live channel pensa me nongi nang Pajir Pon?
I'm very excited.
Okay,
And I'm thankful to the Karbi Anglong Live News Channel
okay.
for having considered me to be eligible for this award. And this is an encouragement for like me.
Ar kidut si la nona kimi youth tumhan isi writer duman hasi Mrs. PG ma.
Itong kito ko bang dure pek Karbi tuang bong hai. La si Karbi tum ke Charlie dulo seta labuson newspaper lo columnist ho newspaper journalist state newspaper along la pen ke national newspaper long la ke tok don la pen Karbi tum puthak ke tok la hai academic paper la hai theklong le is very rare la so pot se time is running out. Lapen nona bangke, nona kai bangke. The struggle is through intellect. Let's say we have to respond intellectually to all the issues. Apor se keto bangke, it is more important than or equally important to have this faculty develop among the young generation. Nona bangke, non plonang. Everybody is so dependent on the technology, for example, videos and instant things like that. Our mubanga lasong kali because when you write, you need thinking. Lasong pon se kematha abangke because of these new gadgets, maybe somehow. So new gadgets are somehow eroding into our mentality that everything can be captured on video and that will. That can be perpetuated. Armu lason kali. Armu bangke mathavek ni. In order to be able to write, you need to think. Lase la thinking pula so faculty bang somehow. Are we in the process of ignoring this pattern of thinking? Lasi laso bang this is more important. Lasi togi pulo tay matha nahi. Tok bhang ke matha vek nahi. Lasi it's not instant. You cannot produce a good book in a day or in a day even in a month or in a year. La bang ke arni simale isya lot hui baklang day. Okay, une day. Now suppose it goes into a lot of thinking. Lasi ke matha bang itu mau we kimia tum la ke matha bang parsing na la. Thinking for faculty bang hai. And also develop na la. This is what I feel.
Okay, thank you so much. Lapu bangke dulo bangke lapu dali dolo ke lapu bangke kok pio mesin ni lapu bangke langok hanserong jadi pik gila lagi okay oi duit taka pos 2 rupees nó bằng cái cho đang bom lấy gió self service
Kali la chụp hình chứ chụp hình đấy đây là
ăn cho rập sao lấy gió hello ăn चलो बोल ओके क्या क्या है
इसमें pork and this is fish, this is hanserong and mula.
is it tasty
Yeah, it's very tasty.
okay then okay अच्छे से खाओ hello hi चलो ăn चलो yeah
cake này lagi.
non bằng cái hem chưa đam bụng lỡ so pesar bye bye sir once again congratulations ta
Thank you.
yeah ta okay bye 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 ik pesar kita boleh ya tata good night bye bye